Hi, I'm Derek with CryoNext, and this is going to be a quick overview of how to use the ZeroBody for you and your employees. So the most important thing about the ZeroBody is the two rules. Rule number one, don't have anything sharp in your pockets and take your shoes off. We basically don't want anything that could puncture the membrane. It's very durable, but we just want to be very careful. So shoes off, knives, keys out of your pockets. The second rule is when somebody's in a session, the platform will come down and you don't want them to try to get out while the platform is down because they're basically just pushing against the water and the membrane. So make sure everyone knows if you want to get out of the session, just click the stop button, wait for the platform to come all the way up, and then you can exit. Here we have the ZeroBody home screen. It has the day 5. Day 1 would be Monday, day 5 would be Friday, and it has the time and military time at the top right. If we click anywhere on the screen, we'll get to the next screen. Here it shows the current temperature of the water. I just refilled this, so it's kind of cold, but it'll get up to 95 degrees. Here we have two options. The hourglass is for a timed session, 10, 20, or 30 minutes. That's good for introducing people to the ZeroBody. The bed icon here lets you set a custom session. So you can do a 2-hour session, a 24-hour session if you want. You just tell it which time to stop the session. We'll do a timed session for now and click enter. So here the two options we're given are for different audio tracks. The top one is for a guided meditation, and the music note button here is for a ambient track. It forces you to pick one of these, or we can press the home button to go back. But we'll go ahead and we'll pick a guided meditation. Now it gives us the choice of different tracks. We can just click any of these. Creativity is pretty good. Now we're gonna pick how long the session will be, 30, 20, or 11 minutes. It gives you that extra minute for them to get into the session, but we treat this like a 10-minute, 30, 20-minute session. This option up here just changes the language of the meditation. So here we go. We're almost ready to start the session. Up here in the top left, it shows the duration that the session will be, 21 minutes. In the top right, it's showing our temperature. This sound icon, we can change the volume of the meditation. The color icon here, we can ask people what their favorite color is and it'll change the LEDs. We'll change to red, the color of my jacket. All right. Then of course we can go home if we don't like the settings that we've picked. And we can also right now just press start and it'll lower us into the ZeroBody and start our meditation. So I'm going to go back and we're going to go over the time session. So this here is in military time saying when do you want your session to end. If we put it at, let's see, we'll put it at 20. So we've got it set for 8 o'clock. Now it's asking us for the guided meditation or the ambient track. This here might be a little confusing because it looks like it's asking us for another time session, but all this is saying is how long do you want the audio track to take? It's not going to be the duration of the session. So you'll see. So right now it is 6:30. And I told it to take me out at 8 o'clock. So we have an hour and 25-minute session about to start. So that's how you'll get the custom sessions if you do the bed. If you do the timer, you'll do the interval sessions, the 10, 20, 30 minutes. And that's about it.